Zara tossed and turned in her bed, unable to fall asleep. Her eyes drifted to the glow and the dark planets on her ceiling. She imagined herself floating among the real planets, a cosmic dream. A soft, whirring sound broke the stillness of the night. Zara sat up, startled, peering into the darkness. A tiny, silver spaceship hovered outside her window. A ramp extended, and a small, blue alien emerged cautiously. He introduced himself as Lumo, a student from a distant galaxy. Lumo explained he was studying Earth's solar system for a project. He needed a human perspective, especially a child's point of view. Lumo shyly extended an invitation, a real-life tour of the solar system. Zara's eyes widened in disbelief and overwhelming excitement. Could this be real? A trip to space with an actual alien? Without hesitation, Zara accepted Lumo's incredible offer. The tiny spaceship shimmered, growing larger before her eyes. It expanded, easily accommodating Zara's size, a marvel of alien tech. Lumo gestured for her to enter, a friendly smile on his face. Zara stepped inside, her heart pounding with anticipation. The interior was surprisingly spacious, filled with glowing panels. Lumo took his seat at the controls, preparing for liftoff. With a gentle hum, the spaceship began to rise from the ground. Zara gasped as her house shrunk below, becoming a tiny speck. The streetlights faded, replaced by the inky blackness of the night. Higher and higher they soared, leaving the familiar world behind. Zara pressed her face against the window, mesmerized by the view. Earth appeared as a vibrant blue sphere, swirling with clouds. Lumo pointed out continents and oceans, a geography lesson from space. Zara felt a sense of wonder she had never experienced before. This was the beginning of an extraordinary journey, a dream come true. The spaceship accelerated, leaving Earth further and further behind. Zara turned to Lumo, her eyes sparkling with excitement and curiosity. "Where are we going first?" she asked, barely able to contain herself. Lumo smiled. "We'll visit the moon, then journey onward." Zara fastened her seatbelt, ready for the adventure ahead. The moon appeared in the distance, a gray and cratered world. Lumo explained its formation and its relationship with Earth. Zara listened intently, absorbing every detail about the cosmos. The spaceship approached the lunar surface, revealing its desolate beauty. Zara imagined astronauts walking on the moon, a historic moment. They continued their journey, heading towards the bright light of the Sunday. Lumo warned Zara about the sun's intense heat and radiation. The spaceship was equipped with special shields for protection. Zara marveled at the sun's immense power, the source of all life. They passed Mercury, a small and rocky planet close to the Sunday. Lumo described its extreme temperature variations, a world of fire and ice. Next, they approached Venus, shrouded in thick, toxic clouds. Lumo explained its runaway greenhouse effect, a cautionary tale. Zara learned about the importance of protecting Earth's atmosphere. They continued onward, passing through the asteroid belt. Lumo pointed out the countless rocks and debris, remnants of a lost planet. Zara felt a sense of awe and respect for the vastness of space. The next planet was Mars, the red planet, a potential future home. Lumo shared information about the rovers exploring its surface. Zara imagined humans living on Mars, a new chapter in history. The journey continued, revealing the wonders of the solar system. Zara was forever changed by her encounter with the cosmos. She realized how small and insignificant she was, but also how amazing the universe is. She will never forget this adventure. And she will always be grateful to Lumo. Zara gasped, Earth shrinking below, a swirling blue marble in the blackness. Lumo smiled. Ready for the grand tour? First stop, the moon. The ship zipped towards the moon, its surface scarred with craters. Lumo pointed. See those dark patches? Luna Maria, ancient lava flows. Next, they approached the sun, a blinding sphere of light and energy. Zara shielded her eyes. It's so bright! Lumo explained. That's why we keep our distance. It's a powerful star. Mercury, a small rocky planet, whizzed by quickly. Mercury has extreme temperatures, Lumo stated. Hot days, freezing nights. Venus appeared, shrouded in thick, swirling clouds. Lumo warned, Venus is a hot, toxic world, not a pleasant place. Mars, the red planet, loomed ahead, dusty and desolate. Zara asked, have humans been there yet? Lumo replied, rovers explore Mars, searching for signs of past life. Jupiter, the giant, dominated the view with its swirling storms. Lumo said, that big red spot is a storm bigger than Earth. Saturn's rings shimmered, a breathtaking sight of ice and rock. Zara was amazed. They're so beautiful. Lumo shared, each ring particle orbits Saturn like a tiny moon. Uranus, tilted on its side, spun slowly in the distance. Lumo noted, Uranus rotates almost perpendicular to the solar system. Neptune, a deep blue giant, marked the outer edge of the solar system. Lumo announced, Neptune is a cold, windy world, far from the Sunday. Zara felt a sense of awe, seeing all the planets. Lumo then pointed towards a faint, glowing band in the distance. That's the Milky Way, Lumo said. Our galaxy. Zara stared, overwhelmed. It's enormous. Lumo explained, billions of stars, planets, and nebulae. Zara whispered, I feel so small. Lumo smiled gently, but your curiosity is huge. He continued, wonder makes even the smallest being important. Zara looked back at the Milky Way, a little less intimidated. The ship began its return journey to Earth. The planets receded, becoming distant points of light. Zara watched in silence, processing everything she had seen. Earth grew larger, the blue marble transforming back into a planet. She saw continents, oceans, and clouds, familiar and comforting. Lumo steered the ship towards her house. The streetlights twinkled below, welcoming her back. Zara's house came into view, small but cozy. Lumo landed the ship gently outside her window. Zara turned to Lumo, gratitude in her eyes. Thank you, Lumo, she said. It was amazing. Lumo smiled. My pleasure, Zara. Your perspective was invaluable. He shrunk the ship back to its original size. Lumo waved goodbye. Until next time, Zara. He and the tiny ship disappeared into the night. Zara climbed back into her bed, her mind racing. She looked at her glow in the dark planets, now more real than ever. The solar system wasn't just a dream anymore. She closed her eyes, picturing Saturn's rings and Jupiter's storms. The vastness of space no longer felt scary, but exciting. She knew, deep down, that this was just the beginning. Her cosmic adventure had changed her forever. She drifted off to sleep, dreaming of distant stars. The universe awaited, full of endless possibilities. Zara smiled in her sleep, ready for anything. The memory of Lumo's words echoed in her mind. Wonder makes even the smallest being important. And Zara knew she was full of wonder.